Good morning, everybody. I just woke up, came home from work last night. There was snow everywhere, and thank God the sun is out because it's going to melt all the snow away. I think we're done with winter this year. I think we're ready to move on to summertime. Got a lot of stuff to do on my weekend. Gonna devote one day to trying to get more stuff moved in, unpacked. Wanted to do some metal detecting on my other day on my weekend, but I have training. Didn't realize that, so I have to go to training. But I'm gonna get a head start on chores before I go to work today, so I can kind of get as much done before Friday, so I'm not totally swamped Friday. So let's see. We're gonna go and grab a horse trough. Oh, look. These look like little bunny prints that are kind of going through. The snow is ice. It's ice now, so this had to be done last night. Wife did say yeah, those look like little bunny prints. Going right through here. Yep, cutting right through there. Wife did say she saw a little brown bunny in the field, so that could have been it or whatever. The moles. Oh, one bucket got kind of... I wonder if a mole got... No. Nope, wasn't tripped. I think I'm going to have to replant the mole traps. I think the wind just probably just blew this one over. Anyways, chicken brooder 2.0. Chickens are outgrowing it. Time to come up with a solution, and I am broke until payday, so I'm not going to buy a new container for the chickens, but I did see this horse trough out here, and I'm thinking if I scrub this out and scrub the inside outside out, we could probably get my sister to build a little screen roof for this. Maybe something with a couple hinges that go up and down, so one side just stays down with the lights and then the other side flips up. We can probably turn this into the next chicken brooder for our baby chickens until they're big enough to go outside. So yeah, I'm gonna use this instead of buying one because I a little broke until payday, so we'll do this one. So let's scrub this guy out. Just gonna scrub this out with some dish soap and this brush. Get all this nasty stuff out of here. This water's cold. Mama, don't make me food, so I gotta come out and graze like a goat. Grazing like a goat. What you eating? Huh? Mama, don't feed you?
A new mole head? Or like
Probably.
pushing up through the snow?
Probably.
You need to pee in it.
You pee in it.
You show him who's boss.
You pee in
You
it.
tell him who owns this land.
I'll put dynamite in that hole.
Okay, I'm not eating grass.
They're goats, honey.
You're gonna puke it up. Come on.
Okay, so the new chicken brooder is cleaned out inside and out, scrubbed it. Dish soap. Scrubbed all the dirt and mud, everything off of it, all the kind of slimy stuff growing on the inside. So now We can wait for it to dry. I can either towel dry it and bring it in now, and then my sister has to just measure it and build a roof for it, or I can put it in the garage and let it drip dry. I don't know. I might just grab some towels and just speed up the process by letting it dry and bring it in now. So we'll see. All right. Come on, eat your guys' treats. I know all the chunks of snow and ice are falling from the trees. So, is this where I'm supposed to take a bath? What's going on here? Huh?
This is your new bathtub, and I'm making you safety handles so you can get in and out.
Oh, cool.
Yes.
Honey, what is this? This is my new bathtub?
Chicken Brooder 3.0.
Chicken Brooder 3.0.
It's for the tweens.
The tweens? What tweens?
It's for my nieces.
The nieces?
Yeah.
Let's see, how are they doing?
Oh, sorry. That's coffee. It looks like milk.
Oh, it's white. There used to be really dark at the bottom, and then they half and half and half, 2%. Yeah. And then they pour it on top, and then you see the coffee, the cold brew at the bottom, and then when you mix it, yeah. I'm not hip on all the coffee terms.
I wonder if there's a daily pill that can kind of help her move better, you know? And like, she walks probably like a block before she moves, like, there's little turns every single morning, like if she gets sleep or bark sometimes, you know. These are hard, so I just pick them up, so I think she's more constipated just because things aren't moving. And now the newest thing is like when she barks, I'm finding like pills.
Oh, incontinence?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can probably, they probably spread you some fillers on the turn in 10 and the mark.
But then it might also be like a better quality food that's for seniors, so like joints and all that kind of stuff. So I mean, she still drinks and eating wise, she does better at dinner time in the morning. She's still waking up, so she won't finish everything. But then trying to give her more wet soft stuff anyway.
Right. Well, I use joints and stuff because they're older.
Yeah.
And then I also give them CBD, because CBD is supposed to, if there's any sort of nerve damage, it helps with the nerve damage not progressing. So.
Yeah, I mean, she's got a whole bunch of like, you know, cysts and stuff all over her belly, you know, but I'm not gonna have them tested and.
Max, what are you doing?
Right, yeah.
But yeah, you can, the Dynamite will help slow that down too. I don't know if you're using that.
So for whatever reason, the previous owners, instead of spreading out all this old hay and alpaca poop, they just made a pile. And they could have spread it out so it could compost easier, but they made a pile, and they also had a pile of branches. So for whatever reason, they didn't burn it, they just piled it up. So now I'm left with the mess, and I am just gonna slowly burn it on top of this pile of old straw and alpaca poop. So it'll be a work in progress, but I'll just have a nice little fire, keep adding the wood to it, and we'll soon get all this burned down and then rake it all out. Good morning, everybody. Here's a little farm update for you. So, was busy working. Supposed to work 3 weeks straight, but had to have my second vaccine shot. So the arm is really sore, a little bit of symptoms. So called out for today. I think I'm gonna go back tomorrow. So I think I only needed a day to recover from it. We finally took care of the big pile of sticks and logs that the previous owners had piled up and just left. So my goal was this other pile that's kind of smoldering is to throw all the sticks and logs on there and burn down some of that hay, because it's just hay, alpaca poop, more sticks and logs. They just piled it. They didn't even spread it out or burn it. So we're trying to deal with that as little as we go. That tote out there, I feel terrible because underneath the pile of sticks, we didn't know, but one of the dogs was telling us there was a nest. And it's 3 little wild bunnies. And so I kind of picked up the nest so no one would step on it and put it inside of a tote on its side to kind of protect it, you know, and so the dogs don't mess with it. So hopefully the mom will come back and take care of them, which my wife was saying there was a bunny out there, so maybe she's kind of going back and forth to feed them and then hiding somewhere else. So hopefully they'll make it and survive, and if not, that's nature. So Miley's the one that found him. Huh, Miley? Huh, Miley girl? Oh, our poor senior dog. Here, let me cover you up so you're nice and warm. Having a lazy day, Miley?
14 years old.
Yep, 14 years old. 14 years old. She was letting us know there was a nest of baby bunnies, and I had no idea because I could not even see them even after I pulled all the branches up. And I was raking and everything. I didn't even see it. So, pretty cloudy, overcast day today. You know what? Let's go look at our baby chickens. See how the baby chickens are doing. So, explain to me this Brooder 3.0.
Well, what do you mean, explain it to you? We just reused the
Oh, I'm sorry. Explain it to our viewers.
the galvanized trough that was outside for the alpacas. We scrubbed it out and brought it in, and then
Yeah.
your sister Michelle
She-
did this nice PVC.
Yep. And then we reused some of the screen from the field.
Yep.
So, Max, can I get in here, please? Thank you. Oh,
And
well,
see,
look at them. They're all
Yeah, they
excited.
get excited as soon as you open it up, and they'll attack that piece of broccoli.
Really?
They'll start jumping up. So
Can you get the Max back real quick?
yeah, just hold the broccoli down, and you'll see.
Oh, wow. Is broccoli,
They
Their
seem to like
favorite
broccoli.
treat right now?
So far.
ooh. Run away. Let me, this down. And then try to split this up more so I can be a little fair. Come on. Holy shit. I'm glad we had this nice big trough. You know, they're a lot more happier. They're not less pecking order because they're more space. Max, you want to say anything? I know you're begging, but you want to say anything? No? You want food?
Like mom has bacon on the counter.
You want some bacon? I'll give you a piece of bacon. Can I get a piece of bacon?
Oh, but it's not heated up yet.
Oh, are you gonna heat it up for him?
No.
Oh, come here, Max. You want a shake? Hold on, I need to hold the camera. Give me a shake. Come on. Show people that you know some tricks. Oh, spin. Oh, yes. Bang bang. Bang bang. Bang bang. Bang bang. He doesn't.
Well, you gotta give him more room. Max.
Oh, okay.
Come here. Oh, now what? Now
Bang
what?
bang. Bang bang. Oh, good boy. Here you go. Have some bacon. Yep. So that has been another episode of Cooper's Amputee Lifestyle on the farm, the Cooper's Pacific Northwest homestead. So thank you for all your support. We are going to be meeting up with Sam because work is starting to get a little bit lighter. I'm not being scheduled to work 7 days straight for a couple more weeks. So yes, the schedule's going to go back to normal. So we're going to meet up with Sam, do a little bit of diving. You guys know him as Sam the Adventure Man. And thanks for all your support. Thanks for sticking with us. Check out this crazy storm. It is raining and hailing, and all the birds were trying to get out of this mess, and crazy. Stay tuned. We'll see you on the next adventure.